Hey guys, welcome back to the Cocco channel and to Vlogmas Day 1! I'm so excited for this year. If you are new, hello and welcome. My name is Brittany Cocco. This is the Cocco channel. Yes, my last name really is Cocco. I kind of wanted to do an introduction for this year just in case I have some new people or new people come along and they're starting off at the beginning. So I am a stay-at-home mom. I do own my own business, which is a t-shirt company at the moment, and we're hoping in 2019 it spreads into other things. But this is not a promo for that. I am also a military wife. My husband, Andrew, is in the Air Force, so we have that going on, and so it's just a really busy, fun, hectic, kind of crazy, intense life. I have two children, Aiden, who is 3 going on 4, and then Miss Bailey, who will be 1 in February. I had to think about that for just a second. So I just wanted to give you a little background on me and what you are coming to. So the Cocco channel is kind of a gamut of things. I do it all. If I'm being quite honest, I kind of dabble in everything. So obviously I am super into makeup. I love and adore it. I wouldn't really call myself a tutorial like beauty guru. I like to sit down, chit chat, and do makeup while chit-chatting. I do cleaning and organization. We're gonna get into some baking because I feel like that is what I'm passionate about and I love doing. In 2019 I am going to start some cooking series, but it's not what you think. It's not gonna be like a cook with me. Anyways, and also I do vlogs every single week. I feel like that is my regular, no matter what. If I'm not going to make a beauty video, if I'm not going to do hauls, which I do almost every single week, if I'm not going to do any of that, every week I do manage to get up my vlog for the most part, and it's just this, you know, little peek into my life, and maybe it is something that is relatable to you if you're struggling with younger kids, or you reminisce and think about those times when you had with your children, or maybe you're not even a mom and you're just struggling with adult life like I am. I keep it very real, very raw, and so I just wanted to do a little introduction. So as you can tell from the title, we are starting off with a speed clean, which makes me really, really happy, especially because it's my beauty room. I got back from Texas and I had bought so much stuff, and I also did the swap with the beautiful Miss Shauna from The Love of Makeup, and so I had so much stuff and I was just in the mood to switch some stuff up, so that's what we're doing. I'm showing you a speed clean, but I also wanted to introduce Vlogmas myself and let you guys know that every single week of Vlogmas I am doing a huge giveaway. So it's a total of 3 weeks because I stop on Christmas, which happens to be like during the week. So Vlogmas starts on Saturday and then it goes through. So I will have a video up on Christmas Day and that'll be the end of it, and I will announce the winner through each week on comments. The only way you're gonna win is here on YouTube. I am going to announce it on Instagram, but I don't feel like that's fair because I know a lot of my viewers don't do Instagram, whether it's something that they're not really into or whatever the case may be. Just not everyone's into Instagram, but I will say that there are some things on Instagram. If you are on Instagram, you might want to follow me at the Cocco channel or at my small business, which is Cocco Floor. Just saying. So anyways, back to the giveaway for YouTube and YouTube alone. Every week is going to be a theme. This week we are starting off with the Makeup Lover. So for this week as the Makeup Lovers collection, you are going to win a Sephora gift card. You are going to win a t-shirt from the Makeup Lover collection over at Cocco Floor. You are also going to win a pair of Kate Spade earrings. You are going to win a packet of the Rifle Paper Company journals, a pair of sunglasses, some lash holders. I have a slew of things that I have been collecting throughout the entire year. Anything that I saw that was a really great deal, I had this in mind. I wanted to end the year with such a bang, and thank you to all of you who have stuck with me, who are coming over to me and have just helped my channel grow to where exactly I want it to be. I love how our community is right now because it definitely is our, I just love the ladies on here so much. Everyone is so kind and gentle. and just really makes this a pleasant experience. I never dread uploading or like, oh, I have to get this video up. It might get like that by the end of Vlogmas, but I just truly wanted to thank you. And so like I said, this week's theme is the makeup lover. Next week is going to be the mom theme. So you are going to win a t-shirt from Mom Talk Collection. You are going to win a Target gift card, because what mom doesn't love Target? And even if you're not a mom, you could always give the shirt as a gift if you do happen to win. And then the last week is Women of Faith, and you are going to win a beautiful floral women's Bible. You are going to win a Women of Faith t-shirt from the Cocco Floor website also. And then every box is going to have the same thing. So you're getting the Rifle Paper Company journal packs, which I literally love so much. They are my favorite things in the whole entire world. You're gonna get a pair of Kate Spade earrings. You are going to get the pair of sunglasses and some other little goodies that I will sprinkle in. I can't remember exactly what I put in each pile, but obviously all of this, the details are going to be down below. Literally all you have to do is be subscribed and leave a comment that you are interested in winning. You could say anything you want that is kind and respectful. Obviously, don't be like, Brittany, you suck, and expect for me to send you free stuff. So without further ado, we will get into the speed clean. I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for sticking with me through this year and to Vlogmas. And if you are new, hello and welcome. Like I said, my name is Brittany Cocco. You are watching the Cocco channel. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye! Hey guys, so it is Tuesday, and I got back yesterday from Texas, and so I'm gonna do a speed clean because I don't know if you can see all, I don't think you can. Let me lower you guys. There's all of this. There's all of that. Oh, hi. Shh. What are you shushing me for? So there's all of that. All of that is literally from my luggage. It's either stuff that I need to haul for you guys, or it's stuff that I just need to put away. So it's like my makeup that I brought with me, like my hair stuff, brushes. I did also get some stuff from Kohl's, which is this big box. So I just need to clean all this up. Like even my desk is a mess. Desk is a mess. Desk is a mess. So I am going to be working on orders this week, and so I want to get this as cleaned up as possible because it's just easier to work in. Same with filming videos, so we're gonna do a speed clean. It's probably gonna be music. I'll share some like organizational things with you, maybe, and I hope you enjoy. So I think I'm gonna put all of my stuff that I'm going to haul for you guys in this one. That way it's just separate. tip, I have one of these. I got this at Daiso. You can get these anywhere. And I literally keep all of my makeup bags in there. So I literally use these for everything. I use them for skincare, body care, makeup, brushes. So all of them are getting put away. Another pro tip are accordion files. I don't know about you guys, but I like to keep my receipts just because I end up returning stuff. And so I have one for home, personal life, and then this one is for Cocco floor when I order like my t-shirts and stuff like that. So just a little